Welcome to my channel. This is the Amazon rainforest, and let me tell you, it's absolutely breathtaking. It's the largest tropical rainforest on the planet, stretching over 2 million square miles. Can you believe that? Despite its massive size, it's home to about half of all known animal species in the world. Just think about all the amazing creatures living here, like the stunning blue morpho butterflies. These beauties are some of the most gorgeous butterflies you ever see, with wings that can reach up to 12 inches across. Their vibrant blue color comes from tiny overlapping scales on their wings that reflect light like a mirror. How cool is that? But here's the catch. They're not just pretty faces. They're super elusive too, making them a rare sight in the wild. Isn't nature incredible? The Amazon rainforest is a wild home to tons of monkeys, over 200 species. Can you believe it? You've got howler monkeys with their crazy loud calls that echo through the trees, spider monkeys swinging around with their long limbs and prehensile tails, and capuchin monkeys, which are super smart and even use tools. These little guys are vital to the rainforest ecosystem, helping to spread seeds and keep insect and fruit populations in check. But it's a bummer many of these species are facing threats from habitat loss and poaching. Let's hope we can protect them. The Amazon rainforest is packed with all sorts of reptiles, like the green anaconda, black caiman, and bushmaster. The green anaconda is the biggest snake in the world, stretching up to 30 feet. They mostly hang out in the water, using their strong bodies to squeeze their prey before gulping it down whole. Then there's the black caiman, the largest croc in the Amazon, reaching up to 20 feet long. These guys are top predators, eating just about anything that comes into their space. Bushmasters, on the other hand, love the trees. With their prehensile tails, they grip branches like pros, and their venomous bite can take down prey way bigger than they are. How wild is that? These eagles mainly munch on other birds, reptiles, and mammals, but they're not above scavenging if they need to. Even with all that power, harpy eagles are pretty sneaky. They love hanging out high in the trees, making them tough to spot. If you're hoping to catch a glimpse of one in the wild, get ready to be patient and lucky. The Amazon rainforest is packed with all sorts of reptiles, like the green anaconda, black caiman, and bushmaster. The green anaconda is the biggest snake in the world, stretching up to 30 feet. They mostly hang out in the water, using their strong bodies to squeeze their prey before gulping it down whole. Then there's the black caiman, the largest croc in the Amazon, reaching up to 20 feet long. These guys are top predators, eating just about anything that comes into their space. Bushmasters, on the other hand, love the trees. With their prehensile tails, they grip branches like pros, and their venomous bite can take down prey way bigger than they are. How wild is that? Despite the dangers posed by these creatures, the Amazon rainforest is home to even larger animals, including the giant river otter. Giant river otters are the largest members of the weasel family, growing up to 6 feet long. They're highly social animals, living in groups of up to 10 individuals. They spend their days looking for food, mainly fish, and their nights sleeping with their mates. Giant river otters are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, but thanks to conservation efforts, their numbers are slowly beginning to recover. The Amazon rainforest is home to the capybara, the world's biggest rodent. These hefty cuties can grow up to 4 feet long and weigh over 100 pounds. They're herbivores, munching on grasses and aquatic plants, and they spend a lot of time in the water, moving surprisingly gracefully for their size. While they're not endangered, habitat loss and poaching are taking a toll on their numbers. Thankfully, conservation efforts are helping them stick around. The Amazon rainforest is home to one of the most mysterious cats out there, the jaguar. These amazing creatures are solitary and super stealthy, perfectly built for life in the jungle. With powerful paws, they can climb trees like it's nothing, and their thick fur keeps them cozy on those chilly nights. Jaguars are top predators, munching on all sorts of prey like deer, tapirs, and even crocodiles. They're incredibly agile, able to leap over 20 feet in a single bound. Even though they're big and strong, they're pretty hard to spot in the wild. If you do catch a glimpse of one, consider yourself lucky or witnessing one of nature's true wonders. The Amazon rainforest is also home to some of the most bizarre creatures on Earth. Take the glass frog, for example. These small frogs have transparent undersides that allow them to camouflage with their surroundings. They're also capable of surviving in a wide range of habitats, from the rainforest floor to the treetops. Then there's the Goliath bird-eater. This large tarantula is one of the most feared creatures in the Amazon, but it's actually quite shy and spends most of its time hiding in burrows. It's also not a true spider-eater, despite its name, but instead feeds on a variety of insects and small animals. One of the most strange creatures in the Amazon, however, is the leaf insect. These large insects are so well camouflaged that they're almost impossible to spot. They spend most of their time sitting on leaves, blending in perfectly with their surroundings. And when they do move, their leaf-like wings make them look like a floating leaf carried by the wind. The Amazon rainforest is home to so many incredible creatures, from the tiny poison dart frog to the massive anteater. Want to discover more amazing animals around the globe? Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.